Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I want to talk about these two jackets that I made. I had thought I had actually done videos on both of these already, but I don't think I did. So let's get started. So first of all, let me welcome you back to the channel. If you're returning, if you're new, then hi, my name is Denise. And I want to start with the first one that I made first. This is Simplicity 9388. That's this pattern here. It's still very popular. It's been out for a couple of years, I guess. I made View B, this one here, and I made it in a size medium. Now, as you can tell, this is a unisex pattern. And I've talked before about unisex patterns not fitting me personally as well as some of the patterns that are made specifically designed for women. This is blousy, but the sleeves are larger than I think they would be if it was not a unisex pattern. But don't get me wrong, I love this jacket. And I've gotten a lot of use out of it. I made this probably a month or so ago, and I've gotten a lot of use out of it. It's got the two pockets here on the chest, and then it's got inseam pockets as well. And it's just comfortable because it is so blousy. I know I can wear like a heavier sweater or something like that underneath, which is great because some things, unless you size up, you're not really going to be able to do that. Now the next jacket is this one here. This is Butterick 4463. That's this pattern here. It's an older pattern, it's out of print. It is from 2005, but this is one of my favorites. I've made this multiple times before. This one is for fall, definitely. This is a Minerva fabric that was gifted to me by Minerva. As a Minerva brand ambassador, I get fabrics from them. They gifted this to me. This is another unlined jacket. It's got a front yoke and a back yoke on this one. I believe it is available on eBay and Etsy. Very easy to put together. It's got inseam pockets here. The sleeves are not cuffed like the other jacket here has cuffs on the sleeve. This one is just a regular sleeve. There's no cuffs here. And for this particular one with these buttons, I did covered buttons, and the reason is because I had to match up the plaid and all of that on the front, I did not want to have to worry about having the buttons look odd. So what I did is I used covered buttons, but I covered them from the dark part of the fabric. So I cut out the little, you know how you cut out the template, cut that out from a darker part of the fabric so that all the buttons are basically the same, and I didn't have to worry about trying to match up the look of the plaid in the buttons as well, because that would have been too much. And I kind of wanted them to just not be that noticeable. So that was the other reason I chose the covered buttons. I get a lot of use out of this one as well. I will leave you a link for this fabric as well, because this is from Minerva. It is terrific. It is like a medium to heavyweight suiting fabric. I think it's a viscose, polyester viscose suiting, and it washes great, washes and dries great. Basically comes out without any wrinkles. Terrific fabric. So that's basically it. You were getting two videos that I thought I'd already done in one video today. But yeah, if you have any questions or comments about anything, please leave it down below. Oh, subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit the notification bell if you don't mind. That way you won't miss any new upload the next time I upload a new video. But I thank you for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.